Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and our members Adib Risqy, Harum Afzaun Najwa, and the last Utin Hikmah. So, in this video, we will explain about mathematical learning, materials in the form of facts, concepts, principles, and procedures in mathematics.
Facts in mathematics. For the first, we will talk about the definition of fact in general. Based on Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, a fact is a thing, state, event which is a reality. According to Istriani, facts are things or events that are reality or actually happened. And then, according to Suryanto, he said that a fact is a condition or event that is a reality, something that is empirically true and can be supported by professional evidence. After that, we will discuss about the definition of facts in mathematics. In mathematics, a fact is an axiom or postulate, which is a statement that contains basic terms, undefined and defined terms, doesn't stand alone, and is not tested for the truth. For the examples, we have a statement like in the picture. Everyone will call it 1 plus 1 equals 2. Without the need to be tested for the truth, everyone will answer with the same answer. This is called an axiom or a fact. Likewise, for number operations, such as addition or plus, it also includes facts. A student can be declared to have mastered the facts if he can write down the facts and use them correctly. Therefore, the way to teach facts is to memorize, drill, or demonstrate repeatedly. Concepts in mathematics. Like before, we will talk about the definition of concept in general. Based on Indonesian dictionary, concepts are notions, image, or abstract designs that are used by the mind to understand the other things. According to Sujadi, he said that the concept is an abstract idea to classify and then expressed into a term. And then Singarimbun said that the concept is a definition or term to describe an event in abstract way. Then on the mathematics side, a concept is an abstract idea that can be used to classify a set of objects. In mathematics, concepts can also be in the form of terms and symbols, which in this term are divided into two. There is undefined term and defined term. How to teach concept? To teach concepts, we have four ways. The first is comparisons. The second is deductive approach. The third is inductive approach. And the last is combination of deductive and inductive approach.
Number three, principle in mathematics. Definition of principle. Definition by general definition. Principles are basic statements of art that are used by people and groups and guidelines for thinking or acting. Definition of mathematics. Mathematics principle can be in the form the theorem, proposition, or proposition statement. This theorem is a logical formula and proven mathematical statement. According to Herman, the principle of mathematics are divided into four. Number one, mathematics as problem solving. Solving problem into the ability to understand a problem. Create a mathematical model, complete the model, and describe the resulting solution. Number two, mathematics as reasoning. Uses reasoning a pattern, the trait, perform mathematical manipulation in generalization, build evidence, or train either in mathematical data. Number three, mathematical is communication. Communication is using symbol, table, graph, or the media to explain situation of problem. Number four, mathematics as relationship. Have a habitat of appreciating the use of mathematics in life, including curiosity, interest in mathematical, in a persistent and consistent attitude in problem solving. In practice, learning mathematics has several principles. Learning mathematics is learning abstract concepts where theorem and proposition are proven by deductive proof. 2. Learning mathematics is learning about idea, logical and structured idea where previous lessons are related to current the future lesson. Learning mathematics is learning with a system or systematic, which a repeat if one of the point or mathematical or material in the is not mastered. Learning math requires a lot of spartic and relation. Learning mathematics must solve a lot of problem. In problem to solve problem that is at school, at home, and in the uniform.
Procedures in mathematics. One of the targets that must be achieved by students in learning mathematics is to obtain understanding of mathematics through the construction of understanding and the knowledge he learns. Understanding mathematics in questions such as interpreting. Ini yaitu menafsirkan atau menginterpretasikan. Number two, exemplifying, yaitu memberikan contoh. Number three, classifying, yaitu mengklasifikasikan. Number four, summarizing, ini adalah merangkum atau meringkas. Number five, inferring, atau pendugaan atau estimasi. Number six, comparing, yaitu membandingkan. And the last, explaining, yaitu menjelaskan. The level of understanding of a scientific discipline according to Perkins and Simmons in Endang Mulyana is divided into four levels. Number one, content level understanding and concept level understanding. Content level understanding, ability give correct examples of vocabulary, terms and notation. Concept level understanding, pattern identification skills, formulating definition, linking one concept to another. Number two, problem solving level understanding can be interpreted as an analytical tool and scientific method. Apply strategies in different situations and working backward. Number three, epistemic level understanding can be interpreted as provide valid proof in mathematics. Number 4. Inquiry level understanding can be interpreted as completely new knowledge or theory, not discovering return. Procedures in mathematics. According to Cole, which was translated by Badriawan, Indroy Irawan explained that the procedures is a sequence of jobs that are usually involving several people in a section or more arranged to ensure uniform or equal treatment. Newman procedures. Number 1. Reading the problem. Reading a text will represent its understanding. This will affect understanding and problem solving. Number 2. Understanding the problem. At this stage, students must be able to solve general problems, ideas which include what, why, where, when, who, and how, which are represented in noun, ask, and prerequisite elements. Number 3. Transform the problem. At this stage, it can be interpreted as the ability of students to determine the solution method or strategy. Number 4. Process skills. The purpose of this stage is to check skill processing. And the last, encoding. At this stage, students are asked to write down the answers that are asked correctly. Next, POIA procedure. Number 1. Understanding the problem. In the aspect of understanding the problem, students need to identify what is known, what exists, quantities, relationship and associated values, and what they looking for. Number 2. Devising plan. In this aspect, students need to identify the operation involved to find strategies in solving given problem. Number 3. Carrying out the plan. In this aspect, what is applied depends on what pre-planned. And last, looking back at the aspect, the thing to note is to check all calculations involved, consider what the solution logically, looking at other alternatives, and making sure the answer is valid. Thanks for your attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.